The Kingston Conservation Commission teamed up with the Duxbury Beach Reservation for an exciting new community project at the Cranberry Watershed Preserve behind the Silver Lake High School. The collaboration is for a beach grass nursery that will provide significant benefits to the residents of Kingston and Duxbury. PCN stopped into their volunteer workday to learn more.
Yeah, so it takes about like 2 hours.
Yeah, this project is actually the result of a grant from the Coastal Zone Management, Massachusetts Coastal Zone Management Group. And it's a great regional project between the town of Kingston and the Duxbury Beach Reservation. And what brought this whole project together is that Duxbury Beach, which is a 4.5 mile long coastal barrier beach, it's basically a glorified sand dune. And that beach, basically, our main erosion control measures is grass planting. And every year we plant anywhere from 20 to 50,000 culms in the little stalks of grass on that beach. And every year it also gets eroded away with storms in different sections. So we constantly have a beach grass planting problem. But after these spate of hurricanes up and down the northeast coast, the supply of grass is actually getting pretty short. And so the reason we went after this grant was to try and get a source of grass that's close by. So what we're doing here in the Kingston Conservation Land, where we're planting about 5,000 culms of grass, with the idea that that these culms are remarkable in terms of multiplication. So if we put in 2 culms in a little hole, then by next year there could be 15 times that, and they just spread. So the idea is we'll harvest some of those, and then we have our own local batch of grass that's a source for planting. We will actually buy it from the Kingston Conservation Commission at market value. So it helps the Conservation Commission, and it's a great learning tool. As you've seen here, we have lots of young people working on the project, and it's a great way to help educate people about the importance of ecology and erosion protection. We introduce the concepts of climate change and rising sea levels, because anybody with a barrier beach is battling this today. So it's a very interesting project.
The town of Kingston is protected by 2 barrier beaches, Duxbury Beach and Plymouth Long Beach. So by providing the beach grass to the Duxbury Beach Reservation, we are helping them to protect their barrier beach and also the town of Kingston from coastal storms. And the other reason why the Kingston Conservation Commission and the town of Kingston were interested in doing this beach grass nursery is that the proceeds will enable us to better fund conservation land management, not only of the Cranberry Watershed Preserve, but our other conservation lands. We have approximately 1,200 acres of permanently protected conservation land in Kingston that the Conservation Commission manages, but we don't get a lot of funding from the town through the general budget to maintain and manage that land. So this is a mutually beneficial project for Duxbury Beach Reservation, the town of Duxbury, and the town of Kingston. And it's just been a great collaboration with Duxbury Beach Reservation and the town of Duxbury, which we're always happy to work with. So it's a great benefit for both towns.